Hey traders, welcome to episode 528. Could be doing anything on a Friday night, but you're here, holy crap. And yeah, Bitcoin's not done anything at all since I was just live, like I think, what, 1 hour and 30 minutes ago? I did a 4-hour live stream. We hit 10,000 subs. Things are good, man, things are good. Drinking a coffee right now, believe it or not. I'll get a beer in a second. I just gotta finish this coffee, man. Like, you know. Litecoin on another run? Oh my god. Litecoin's on the move. Yep, 3.5%.
Hey Mitch, exciting times in the market. For Nano/BNB, can you please let me know how low this can go? Thanks.
Nano to Ethereum? No, Nano to BNB? Oh my god. Okay. Nano to BNB. Oh my goodness, man. Devastating. Alright, yeah, big clear downtrend. I don't know if we can use the top part. So, we could try like something that makes more sense, maybe? Oh yeah, that's perfect, right? Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, right? 25%, 75%, heart line. Dude, that's pretty good, man, right? Bouncing off the 75. So big, nasty downtrend on Nano to BNB. You're at that casino, right? Vegas vacation. And yeah, so from your previous swing low to high, let's get some fib extensions to see where we're at. Looks like we're pretty close to a 1618 fib extension. Okay, you're like literally about to touch the 1618 fib extension. Oh my god, audio's too loud still? Are you kidding me? God. Can't get a break. Dude, I don't know. No formal pattern. It's like just straight down, man. There's no structure here. Look, you had critical supports back here too that you had to hold, and that was terrible. Oh my god.
What up, El Ray? Congrats on 10k subs. This is still the beginning, my friend. See you at 20k. Will we rise? And as always, remember to not get trapped.
Will we rise? Mr. Damon Man? Dude, thanks for the 20. The 2-0. The Ethereum. And the jar, man. There is a probability that we very well could. I mean, the structure that is developed, accumulation is apparent, sell wall is apparent. We did break it. It could be a nice move up because there's no over resistance beyond 8,500, which is kind of weird that we've set the sell wall at 8,300, but 8,500 is the top of our resistance zone. So either way, yeah, we could rise. I know that was a rhetorical question, but people probably were asking. You know, might have been asking in the chat. Yeah, also don't get wrecked. This is still the beginning. Yes, Mr. Demon, thank you, dude. Gangs. Love you, dude. And this Herman Miller. It's the only way I'm able to do marathon streams, dude. So, thank you, bro. It's because of Mr. Demon, man, I can do them. So, right here, you know, you could do longer term. You could go to, you know, swing low to high, and you probably have confluence. Maybe not. So, all right. So the 1272. If you break this 1618, then all we can do is go back for a more longer term fib extension, like swing the major swing low, not your previous one. This you can see it, but really just the major one where we double bottomed right here, low to high, and 1272 is at 4.25 cents. Okay, so that's your 1272, the 1414. 0.0358. What is it? What is a to BNB? It is a Binance. Is it to a Binance? You know, you got like ZERPs on Ethereum. You got Satoshis. What is to BNB? Someone teach me the philosophy. So dumb, man. All right, there you go, man. Get it? Fib extensions is all you can do. It's like all-time lows. So fib extensions are your only friend out here in outer space. Does that help? Thanks, man. CZ for the 334. Okay. Whoa, what the? Sorry. What was that? I think we're good. Yeah, dude, Stadium Dad said kicking off the 10K sub celebration with an all-time low S coin. Oh my god, dude. You're right about that, dude. Right. Benny Benzo, what's up, dude? Why don't... Maybe I need to refresh the catch data or something to make this not lag anymore. Like the super chat came in, but it's not showing up on Stream Elements, just lagging. XRP. Okay, XRP. So you got Bitcoin, potential ascending triangle. You got a potential double bottom on XRP. And it is a break of a downsloping resistance. Could be a Momo shift.
When you're ready, less than this is my gratitude for XRP breakdown.
Oh. Kangs, man. Super Kangage. One low. Alright. Are we beginning to bullishly engulf, bouncing off the 20 moving average as a support? Come on, man. The Class B bullish divergence on the MACD. It's got to stand for something, dude. Dude, XRP has respected the technical analysis at certain times before, and we have evidence of that with trade setups. Okay, so we're talking about a double bottom down here. It went extremely high off that. So is it a repeating pattern? Little brother from Big Brother? I don't know, man. It all really depends on Bitcoin, right? You know that. You know that. When before analyzing an altcoin, you must analyze Bitcoin first. Okay, that's it. If you could look, it's only, and I've said it again a billion times, this is a potential double bottom until you break this resistance. If you do break it and can close above it with confirmation, then it is a confirmed double bottom. But until then, it could just crap out and do nothing. It's all on Bitcoin, man. Holds the key. They're called BNB tokens. They should just be called CZs. Yeah, there you go, Jamie Ragsdale. Fantastic. But does it have a name? We could name it, I guess. Make it a meme. Anyway. Okay, so while I'm wearing a Viking hat, by the way, if you're in here and you're like, what's wrong with this guy? Has he lost his effing mind? Like, no. The jar filled up last stream, but it was on the tail end of a 4-hour marathon stream, and so I had to eat and stuff like that. Just take a breather, man. And then here I am again an hour later. So, yeah, man, it's like when the jar fills up, the audience votes, right? They vote on whether I should wear the Viking hat, wizard hat, that Moonboy hat, all part of our culture. So, just context for if anyone's in here that doesn't know what's going on right now. All right. Sweet dude. And also, earlier today, we did another poll. Will we break the triangle this weekend? 93 of y'all said yes. So, like, the majority of people here, or I guess from the day stream, think that we will break the ascending triangle on Bitcoin, right? Which is at like 8,300, 8,350-ish. All right. We'll see what chat's got. Oh, crap. I know this one. Dude, why is this here? Oh, that was the live from earlier. Okay. All right. Are we good? We're good. I need a cone head? Yeah, dude. Let's get one. What was that? Bubbles, you're back, man. And all you said was, okay, the jar again? What? What does that mean? Dude, Elliot, thank you, man, for the $2 super chat. Okay, yeah, we can look at that. I mean, you just say bat, so I'm going to have to guess on what you're, you know, talking about, right? Like what pair? Oh, dude, not this song. This is the crappy song. There we go. All right, Elliot. So the issue with this is I think you went too high on your pattern. You should only be on bullish ciphers. You should only be running up 161.8% of the way. You shouldn't be going higher. But someone asked, like, said, hey, is that a potential pattern? And we went into it and we said it might be invalid because it's too high. But we said, you know what, man, we'll just leave it up because why not, right? Rune Slayer says, I shorted Bitcoin at 8,100 on Bitfinex. I see the daily close below trend lines as a sign of weakness. Looking to take profit around 74 to 7,500. What are my thoughts? I don't know, man. I mean, it's a bullish trend. There's a bullish pattern. We pivoted, created another low, a higher low for like the third time now, and it's just I don't know. I mean, I guess, right? The fact that, let's go to Bitcoin real quick. The fact that we're so close to, I mean, look how the strength we're showing, man. All right. I wouldn't be like shorting Bitcoin right now because of the pattern. All right. And even if I missed out on a trade, I still think it's the smarter thing to do to just, if you don't think this is bullish, I mean, you're shorting on the weekend too. So remember the last 2 weekends we've had where on some random Saturday, like both of them, like we've gone insane on price action to the upside and like low liquidity pumps. So, and now we've just formed this huge accumulation pattern. I don't know, man, like I wouldn't be doing a short here, but that's me. So I'm not telling you what to do, but you said you were going to take profit, like, make sure. 74 to 7,500. I mean, yeah, maybe so, man, but are you not worried about the higher lows? And we've hit a sell wall like for the third time, getting very close to the fourth time. It's not about, you know, hold on.
Congrats on 10,000 subs. But we all know this isn't a real party until Tropical Fun comes on.
Oh yeah, isn't that that's like, wait, Tropical Fun, what is that? Wasn't that from earlier? I think it was. Yeah, Tropic Fun, dude. Oh, terrible song, man. But thank God, I'm just playing like some chill wave song, like, you know, there's no like real copyright on it, so it's just like from YouTube. I don't know, Epidemic. Some of the songs are so terrible, and I'm worried about like branching out. You know how much time it takes to like listen through a bunch of crappy generic songs and figure out which one you want in a playlist, and then you have a playlist. I did this before, and then you stream multiple times a day for a long time, and then like the music gets so tired, and then you find out there's just not many songs you like on Epidemic, and you don't feel like listening through all of them again, or all of them. I mean, because there's certain genres of music on Epidemic, and there's only certain genres that make sense that are good, and so you find out which songs are good and which songs are bad, and then that's it. So anyway, sorry. What's up, Rappin' Ron? You think dominance will go down over the coming weeks? Well, there are altcoins that are setting up for higher prices too, so it's not just Bitcoin that's showing a bullish pattern. Others are also doing that too. And guess what? The impulse before them was bullish. It was positive. Just saying. Dill Pickle, I don't know, man. Exactly. Right. Scrub music. That's right, dude. Will create the same effect as the old shows. Justin, oh yeah, man. From way back, dude. These songs, dude. Yeah, this is what I played. Back at Crypto and Chill, right, dude? Crypto and Chill. Episode 7. Dude, Benny, man. Thanks for the 10. Super chat. I'm not going to read it because it's actually going to read it on TTS when it decides it wants to pop up on the screen. It likes lagging sometimes.
BTC dipped with 2 minutes left in highest viewed Western Conference Finals and then took a vet tip-off of next game. Pay attention at tip-off tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. ET.
Why is this not showing up?
Ray, can I please look at my beanie baby at your earliest convenience? I would not normally ask, but my dad made me. Do not get me wrecked.
Did not get you rigged, Mr. Diamond Man? Dude, thank you for the $5. Yeah, yes, sir. We'll look at Neo next. Benny Benzo, trying to square up with him. Bitcoin dipped with 2 minutes left in highest viewed Western Conference Finals. Then took of a tip to off of next game. Okay, I will pay attention at tip off tomorrow. He's talking about the basketball or basketball, depends, at 7:30 my time. Okay, will do, man. Thank you for the 10. Did y'all hear that? Did you get it, man? All right, so oh yeah, I gotta finish up on BAT real quick. Okay, sorry, it just things are happening. I gave the analysis earlier, but so 88.6% retrace. Okay, and 1618 retrace, confluent, PCZ, PRZ, whatever. So you would wait. I mean, you fell below your 200-day moving average, and now you're using it as resistance on these wicks right here. So yeah, maybe it does retrace. Who cares? Let it retrace, make a lower high than sell off again, and then maybe we can get ourselves bullish divergence down here. We could have an actual reason, like coinciding variables put together, you know, to give us the reason to potentially take a shot here. Okay, on a long. All right. Back connect. That was like 3,500 sat range. Okay. Neo connect. Here's your daily, man. All right, Neo, man, just like crazy downtrend and broke out. But, you know, it's just slowly going. I mean, slowly upsloping. The angle of its, you know, ascent is not that impressive, is it? It's, look how far away we are from November levels, man. Think about Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is, and then think about where some of these altcoins are. Bitcoin exploded. All right, so if this was November 7th, this was 6,000 for Bitcoin, right? 6,000. That means like Bitcoin would be like way up here, okay? Neo's still way down here in common retrace zone levels, right? I mean, that's, we had at one time fibbed Bitcoin from its high right before the fall to the low, and you're only at a golden retrace, you know. So you're in an uptrend right now, but my God, you're not making higher highs than your previous highs, are you? Not yet, man. This thing has been devastated, almost destroyed. So yeah, it's in an uptrend, man. Yes, until it's not, until it falls below like $9.45. So yeah, just keep on going, man. Keep on going. I mean, look, you know, there's a real discernible swing high up here. Like on the daily, you can see it. These aren't really discernible swing highs, but you would fib here because it's like, all right, from right before we dumped to the bottom, you're looking for those retraces. But look here, high to low, you're at a 382. So like there's confluence from this high to low, right? That was the 618, right? So they're literally the same thing. They're right at it, you know. It's just confluence. That means, you know, it's a stronger level of resistance. Is there more confluence somewhere else? Yeah, kind of at like 1486. All right, and there was some down here, which we hit before selling off, before running again, breaking through it. So, dude, long way to go. Remember Mordor? Way up here, we're like still, I mean, dude, we're still in Brie, it seems like. This thing hit $195 at one point. long ago, many thousands of years ago, Neo hit 195. Dang, dude, have I already like finished this coffee, man? What? Well then, probably gonna get a beer, whatever. Calvin Reese is waiting for the fourth wave. Okay, we'll see, man. What's up, Hager? Thank you, man. What, you son of Bitcoin logo? Yes. Jose, thank you, man, for the congratulations. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you, dude. Neil C, hello. Is XRP forming cup with Hendel? I don't think so, man. Did you say 4 hour? Hold on, I got it. Cup with Hendel? I love saying it like that. Oh, is this cup with Hendel, man? Interesting. It's a rather flat base, right? But, kinda, I guess. A little bit. Sure. But, guess what, man? It all lines up with the high to low, major high to low, right? If this was a measured move, let's say that was the top of the cup. I don't know, I guess you're going a little higher than the 618, but the measured move in that regard would put you at 65 cents. But let's you know, stay calm. Everyone relax. We're not saying we're going there. Let's go to the 4 hour.
Thank you, El Ray. My beanie baby serves me well for my purposes. I always appreciate your bill of health. Congrats again, my brother. Do not get wrecked, Jesus peoples.
Thanks, Mr. Damon Man. Don't get in a telled chat. Tell them, Mr. Damon Man. Thank you, dude. For the 5. For the 30 on the evening. On the eve. Thank you, dude. We have 22 minutes left until the 4 hour close. XRP zoomed in a little bit. Hey, are you going to be happy with 50 cents nearly? 49 cents a measure move on the double bottom? Let's keep it simple. Alright, let's not zoom out and look for cup with handles. Let's look at the double bottom and understand it'll all play out where you'll hit 50 cents and could go beyond. Right? But again, none of this matters until you really break out, until you break above 42.9 cents. All right, we broke the downswing resistance. That's the first step. We ran up, and now we're slightly selling off. That's consolidation after an impulse, a minor impulse, right? So could be wanting to run again, and you're kind of back testing the old resistance as support.
Is that a joint?
How can you look at a stock I bought early in the week, KVH, to that holder sell at the open Monday?
Well, I'm never going to tell you what to do on the open at the open on Monday, okay? But it's a bear trend, man. So it's in a downtrend. Just because you had this big green candle, yeah, I mean, like, just because you had the big green candle today, what are you up today? 28%. Oh my god, man, dude, this thing, all it does is sell off. Okay, so this thing's gonna hit. Look, all it's doing on the daily, in the short term. And we zoom out so we can see the context of what's happening. It's terrible. This is nothing. You saw one green candle. Now there might be some fundamental reason why this thing ran up, okay, but based on the trend, this thing will eventually just give up all these gains like it's done before, right? It ran up, sold off, ran up, sold off, ran up, sold off. Okay, so I mean, sure, it had a major retrace. Yes, it sure did. But there's a way we know how to get targets, and I don't know if we've actually broken out yet. Let's see. Interesting. You're like, okay. Perfect. So here's your trend. You did break out today, interestingly enough, right? 1 and 2 and 3 on the top. 1 wick on the bottom. Looks pretty good, man. Look at the heartline support, resistance, support, resistance. Oh my god, man. Pretty nice. So I don't know, yeah, we did break, and even if you don't like that, go to some channel, and you're like, I don't know, man, I'm old school, I just like one trend line. Okay, draw one freaking trend line, and you can see you just barely broke out on the daily. Like, you could just as easily at open sell off and dump. So let's fib real quick, but I don't even know if we have a major high yet. I mean, this is going all the way back from March 2018. What more do you want? You know, this is what's happening. This is the happening, dude. All right, we don't even know if we have a major swing low yet until we hit $4.50. Okay, so if you hit that, you might feel more confident that this anchor point is valid for our high to low. And if it was, let's just say, for the sake of being hypothetical, George Soros called us. He's like, okay, Ray, man, this is it, dude. That's the bottom, man. All right, how you gonna fib now? All right, you know the anchor point's valid. All right, so then a golden retrace would be between $5.51 and $7.12. So, sure, yeah, it could be ready to retrace, but I mean, you did close, which that's nice, man. Good job on AVH. But I'll just tell you, despite, you know, this over 1 year long downtrend, before this downtrend, you had much more downtrends, right? Ever since the beginning, it's been terrible. So it's like the energy, the vibe, everything about this chart is bearish, right? But what if we look Alt-I, right? We flip the chart around. Everything about the energy and vibe of this, the trend is all bullish, right? So you'd be looking for bullish patterns, you know, bullish retraces, double bottoms, flags, all that stuff on this chart, and then you'd be looking for bearish stuff on this chart, right? Okay, man. Thanks for the 420, dude. Is that a joint? Is that a Kangs? Yes. Oh my god, dude, look at the price, man. Yes. Oh, it feels so good. Nice. I'm getting a beer.
Why no moon?
It's not time yet. I talked to the Bugnuffs. Bugnuff said that we'd be mooning sometime on Saturday, not Friday. Kappa. What's up, AJ Blackman? Thank you for the $2 super chat, dude. Hey, man. Super Kangish. Okay, so I've missed a lot of chats. Going over that stuff. Oh, he says, thanks for the awesome content. Well, thank you for the awesome support, man. Really appreciate it. You actually care, you do care a little, but say la vie. Bearwood guy, what you talking about, dude? Did you pay? And I'm taking it that your contribution was Bitcoin and not any other crypto. It was Bitcoin. All right, I'm taking a guess right now, Bearable guy. You said that 2 minutes ago, so it has to be Bitcoin. Oh my god, man. Please show up. That'd be so funny. Is it, dude? Are you talking about, Joffrey, are you talking about Bitcoin? Oh, this dude buys stock, man. Oh my god. Holy crap, this guy's into stocks. Alright, sorry. I'm DJing. I'm trying to. Dang, man. Thanks for the 447 people here, but thank you for the 145 likes already, man. Lit. Very lit. Top 5 Beanie Babies? What's up, Dave and Bella at Toy Adventures? I'm gonna get this beer, though, alright? I just got distracted by Kaj P. Why no moon? His question. What was that? It fell in the jar. Oh, it's Crypto Guy. Oh my god, it was stable coin. It was US dollar coin. Hey Mitch, I emailed you. I hope you know I'm not trolling. I don't care if you like my art or not. I just wanted to share some ideas. Thank you again. Dude, yeah. Send me some art. Also put it in Discord. PM me in Discord. Don't email me, dude. Email's like scam city. It's like, just reach out to me via PM on Discord, because email is weird, dude. Really weird. So many like people trying to scam and send viruses. It's like, I don't even like email, dude, anymore because of like my business account. I don't like it. It's just sketch, man. All right, hold on.
I'm light-skinned. I love you, Michigan, sincerely, Hoof-hearted.
Thank you for the $5 super chat. Much love. Hoof-hearted. I don't know what that meant. Chat, do y'all want to dissect what that TTS meant? Anyone? Bueller?
Bueller, Bueller, Bueller.
I like turtles.
Haven't been using my soundboard this much, right? Is Bitcoin in wave 1 or wave 1 of 4? 1 or 4 of Elliot waves?
Is that a joint?
Thanks for looking at ABH.
Okay. Sure. Thanks for the 420, Montana. Surprised you're here. Okay, so Elliot Wave though, dude, I don't know. I don't really do Elliot Wave, man. So, okay. Wouldn't this look like wave 1, right? Big wave 1 or 5 or something, right? I don't know, man. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? I don't know, 5 Kappa. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't study it. I'm sure if I put my mind to it and studied it, I might know more. I just haven't really put the effort in. Oh my God, Bitcoin Z, really, dude? Scary stuff. Thoughts on it going to 32 cents again? Well, if it fails, if it breaks below 36.871 cents, right? If it breaks below that, there's a very good chance it would fall to that level. I mean, there's not much support. There's a little bit of support at 34.5 cents. The interesting thing about Ripple is like it broke through a lot of resistance and it's back testing it. And if it failed, it would have a decent amount of support on the way down, all the way to 33 cents, right? Just because Bitcoin's like going straight up and down, up, down, up, down. See, this thing is like, we've been making fun of it, but it's been building tons of support, resistance, hardcore, all this chop, man, that gives you stronger support on the way down. So make fun of XRP all you want. It's built the strongest foundation of its house. Way better than many others, right? What? So us being a stablecoin for so long was great because when we broke through being a stablecoin, we broke through the resistance. When we do sell off, all that resistance that we built will then be used as strong support. And then it'll be like, whoa, while everything else could dump hard. Because it built no support like Ripple did, or XRP did, excuse me. Thanks, Danny H, man. Appreciate it. Is it a solid investment? I think it's still speculative. Cryptopic, man. Oh yeah, I need to update. Sorry. All I have to do is just this. So dumb. You can have Elliot waves within Elliot waves. Of course. You can have harmonics within harmonics. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, man. Why so much hate, dude? Why so much hate? It's Friday night. Let's be happy. But thank you, Andrew Parsons, for the reminder. Thanks. Carlos Connect. What are y'all talking about? What about Walton Chain, dude? What about it, dude? Tell me your thoughts about it, calculator. Tell us. Why are you asking me, man? I want to hear about what you think about Walton Chain, dude. Go for it. We're sitting here drinking a beer, celebrating 10K on a Friday night with a Viking helmet on, with 9 minutes left on the 4 hour. Just having a good time, hanging out. So give me your reasons why you like Walton Chain Connect. Remember what they did? The fake giveaway on Tweeter. What's up, Patricia Bailey? Hi, ASL Capo. So it's like KSL, Kappa, age, sex, location or something. Oh, investing is speculative. Okay, yeah, but I mean, when you have like underlying fundamental analysis, like talking about revenue reports, growth prospects, right? Those are things you can fall back on. Where here, you can only fall on the news because there's no way to really value these assets. Not really. So it's a little different. Investing in something that has the SEC, Security Exchange Commission, that's all enforceable. That's a pretty big deal too, man. So fraud is not running completely rampant. It's still there. What's up, Stefan? Okay, man. Whatever, dude. Yay. Let's go to Ethereum. I don't think we looked at Ethereum tonight. Anyway, we looked at it plenty today. Okay. Here you go. Price contraction. Higher lows. Lower highs. Look what happened, man, when we sold off. We're doing nothing. We're just bouncing off the 2050 moving average, getting
Damn
squeezed.
Mitch, nobody in Tennessee up here knows about crypto. A sip of Smoky Mountain moonshine to you.
Hey, no difference down here, okay? Cheers. Hope you're enjoying your moonshine. Okay, because I had before. I used to play poker with some peers, you know, like people I worked with and stuff, and they had like different types of moonshine, like pineapple moonshine. I don't know, like just different, like citrus, like orange moonshine. It was really good.
Can you take a look at the S-Coin SMT Smart Mesh Connect for me, please, man?
What was that? SMT. Sure. Oh my god. It's actually here. Oh god, another terrible one, dude. It looks like Verge. Or worse. Okay, yeah, we'll look at SMT. Smart Mesh, right? Thought it was smartwatches. Smartwatch Connect. Oh my god, dude. We're gonna do something. Hey, look, it's always an honor when we when someone requests an S-Coin that we've never done before. We've never even heard of it. It's a big feat these days. Okay, so anyway, Ethereum. Dude, I'm telling you, you're getting squeezed in so hard. You got moving averages, you got a critical support, horizontal line support at like 247, and you got resistance at 255, down sloping resistance along with it. Man, you can't tell me this thing's not coiled up ready to spring hard as F one way or another. All right, it's coming, dude. It's coming, or whatever, dude. All right, SMT to BTC Connect. Here we go, guys, gals, everyone.
Wait, what? Did you just say SEC? Did you not watch The Big Short? Or if you actually look at their data, they don't find anyone. Haha, regulators. Okay, shit, I bumped my head. Go to though.
Alright, thanks Montana for the 420. Stephen Wright.
Just a small thanks for your efforts, your time, your knowledge, and your tutelage.
Tutelage, baby. Thank you, Stephen Wright, for the 20, dude. The Ethereum Connect in the jar. Much love, bro. Thank you, man. Wow. Thank you both. So like double top, whatever, and near all-time lows. Actually, you just recently hit all-time lows. Let's just do fib extensions, since that's all we can do. Low to high, you know, 1272 is way down at 90 sats. You're just running. Look at what you're doing. 20-day moving average. You just had a death cross on the 15th of May. Very bad. And you're, look, it's not just that the daily cross was there. It's lag indicator, right? But the fact is, when you've now recovered with your little dragonfly doji, nice. Well, almost a dragonfly doji. You missed close enough to dragonfly doji. And what does a dragonfly doji look like, man? I have an example for you. I know a lot of y'all know about it, but some people maybe don't. Maybe like 2 people don't know about the dragonfly doji, and they're like, I want to become learned, man. I don't know about this dragonfly doji, man. Dragonfly doji, man. This is a dragonfly doji. All right. So it signifies a reversal, like sellers are exhausted. So you close very like at or very near where you opened at, right? Dragonfly Doji. Remember, this is a gravestone doji. This is a long-legged doji. This is a standard scrub regular doji. Okay? Is that cool, man? Are we cool on doji education on a Friday night at like midnight? Drinking beers? I think it's pretty cool, man. All right. Anyway, so your price action is terrible. Just every time, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, SMT has used the 20-day moving average as a resistance. It's very weak, man. Very, very weak. So bad. But I don't know. Maybe we use the new wick or something. I don't know. Low liquidity S coin. Gray. I'm not this on, dude. It's like Mario on acid. Get it out of here. Okay, downsloping channel. Looks like the wick. We're going to use the wick. Support. Looks like resistance. Whatever. I mean, dude, this goes back to April 8th. So you're in a downsloping channel. Okay. We've broken all-time lows. And now we are back testing the all-time lows as resistance. Currently. We just did. Like the past couple days we did. We're like, oh, it's resistance. It's not a support anymore. We're screwed. Okay, time to go lower. Very good chance. I mean, the reason why you recover is because you get too oversold for too long and then you spring the upside, but this is all that happens. It's bearish, man. Very bearish, and it is inherently bearish. I don't know, man. I guess it was no trend, but it's becoming inherently bearish as F. Okay. That's your SMT Smart Mesh Connect. We did it, man. We did it, man. All right. So, that's it. That's the daily time scale. Okay, so back to our ascending triangle on Bitcoin. Doing nothing, hanging out, Friday night, drinking beer. Oh my God. Becoming slightly inebriated. That's it. Greg Morgan, we did it in 1941. Hey Dom, roll tide, man. Roll tide. Simon Nax, XRP now? Are you demanding? Where's wearing the Viking hat, dude? You're demanding I look at XRP? Dang, dude. What is this stream, Domain Magic? This is a crypto... Well, it's really just a technical analysis show, right? We analyze any asset, you know, Bitcoin, gold, silver, Ethereum, the stock market, anything on the stock market, right? And there are patterns to develop. And there's a reason behind the development of those patterns, right? And there's psychology behind it. And so you learn to identify those patterns. And then you also use other indicators like the oscillators, like relative strength index, moving average, converging, diverging. I mean, there's stochastics. There's many different indicators. You use all those together, and they give us coinciding variables. And it gives us, you know, a good chance, or I guess it lets us know what the probability is that we'll be breaking to the upside or downside, right? That's what this show is, I guess, right? Domain Magic, that answer, or have you already left? Chris M, I'm sorry to hear that, man. We looked at silver today, Kenneth. On log scale, it had broken out of a crazy downtrend since 2011. So, and gold is shifting its Momo as well. So silver was in a falling wedge. So, I mean, it could turn around soon. I'm surprised it hasn't turned around much with the way the stock market's been selling off a little bit. But, you know, I mean, there's one thing when the stock market sells off and it's just like a, a retrace, and there's another thing where the stock market like dumps, and it's not really like dumping like we've seen before. So that's probably why precious metals haven't really gone that insane. In response, you know, the past week now, the stock market has not done very well this week, and precious metals really haven't responded. That's all I'm saying. Chris Sims says, look, man, I don't think anybody has really gone to bat here for XRP in the last 5 minutes. Something's wrong. Something's going on. I completely understand what you're saying, dude. Okay. It's pretty funny. Hey, Dreaded Trader. Hope you're having a good Friday evening, dude. Let's see. I just don't understand why the page doesn't update unless I have it like straight up on my screen. It's so weird. What's up, Sean Coons, man? Thanks for the kind words, dude. But thanks for the support. Mostly. 10,031, we did it, man. We did it. It's still probably fake, man. We're probably gonna wake up and be screwed tomorrow. But, Lighthearted.
Is this how you leave a love message? Mitch, don't forget Hoof-Hearted.
Lighthearted, thank you for the $10 of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency contribution, man. So you leave a message? Yeah, that's one way. Thank you, man. That's an awesome way. Okay. I mean, crypto tips are great. It's like the whole spirit, you know, of crypto. Oh my god, burping, sorry. Okay, Kirk B, thanks, man, for the $2.99 super chat. Sorry. Okay, historically, Bitcoin does not return to all-time highs until after halvening, or the halving? Is it the halving or halvening? Halvening. I've heard people say both. Watch you. It's really Kirk. All right, let's show it. So this is Kirk's idea here. What's up, Vic Medico? Thanks, man, for joining. Type in the chat. All right, so you're looking at a log scale chart. Obviously, it's got to be right. I mean, I don't. Maybe not. Is this log scale? Looking at the weekly, this goes all the way back to what, man? 2011. Yeah, this is like the beginning, man. I think this is the one that shows. It's like all the Bitcoin data. And he's saying, when is the halving again? It's looking like June of next year. Is that it? And each time, these are all halves. We have each time here. And so the have it here. And here, it's crazy how it happened here and just exploded up. But this time it didn't really
the chart when stocks fell
go that
like
crazy.
2008, 2009, metals fell just like they will now. Just saying, it's not a hedge, okay? I def not one to base trades on cause that crazy.
Okay, yeah, we'll look back at gold in a second, since we've already looked at silver today and we looked at palladium or whatever. Yeah, we'll look at gold. 2 seconds. Thanks for the 420. So, all right, but hey, you can't say that leading up to the halvings, that we didn't have some sort of run. You know, this thing legged up. I remember this. This was the ascending triangle that began the whole run after we broke overhead resistance from the no trend that lasted 8 months. Okay, ascending triangle. This was a 5-month long ascending triangle, much larger than the one we're seeing right here on the 4-hour, dude. Make no mistake, this one was a monster ascending triangle. So anyway, yeah, leading up to the halvings, you know, you still, right, had good lead ups. There was accumulation of some sort. There were higher lows going on before the halvings. So very good. Thank you, man. Does that make sense? All right, XAU. Hey, Bitcoin, 8,029. We're back over at K, man. We did it, man. I thought Bitcoin's going to catch up on my sub count, man. If it does, unreal. Okay. Oh, let's adjust. False breakouts. Should we adjust? Let's see if you adjust. See, it was like impulse up, down slope, consolidation, double bottom, maybe down triple, well, not really triple bottom. I mean, kind of, but not really, because you have different high peaks. Either way, you've retraced like 38% of the way. Well, yeah, 38% of the way.
Conflict is a beautiful thing. To coin a phrase, conflict is healthy. It's unresolved conflict that leads to violence. Go ahead and impress me. You said that. Are we all good?
Bubbles, thanks for the 420. Oops. I think I owe a couple of these.
Is that a join? Is that a join? Is that a join?
I think I owed 3. Sorry. I owe them, man. They're the 420s. So don't get mad at me, man. Anyway, let's go to, well, beautiful. But Montana wanted to see 2011, or leading up to it. Well, you know, really? Oh my God. Let me look for another chart that has actual data that goes further back than that. Come on, please. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's just go to golds, like legit gold, because this only goes back to 2007. Okay. So golds 2008, 2009. Yeah, everything crashed, right? Everything crashed, including gold. Yeah. But the recovery we had, it started before the stock market, right? I mean, yeah, like gold and stuff started rallying. Its rally started in November of 2008, where we know the stock market did not start rallying. Like all the stock market did not start rallying until like March or April of 2009, right? So it got a head start. But yeah, I mean, that's what happens to markets, man. When crazy, oh my God, like the real estate bubble collapses. And it's the same in the stock market too. Not even just like, you know, precious metals. You can be like, oh, I'm going to be in something that can weather the storm, like Procter & Gamble, or like a, you know, just a staple, blue chip staple, man. You know, if you're in those, when a crash happens, you will only lose 40% or 35% of your value. You won't lose 60% of your value, right? And that's what happens in global financial crises, right? Or crises. Big, great crashes. All right, so yeah, it's true. So a good point. I think people would get value out of what we just talked about right here. Looking back at you just gold itself during the actual collapse. You know, it was crash, not a collapse, but you get it. Let's go, man.
I can't think of another streamer, much less a crypto streamer, that deserves 10k subs more than you do. Even when I feel like quitting this trading game sometimes, you are always there to encourage me to use my fishing pole again. Thanks, brother, man.
Dude, Scour, man. Thanks for the kind words, dude. 10k, dude. Lit. We lit. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it, dude. Yeah, man. It's like, you're going to get that, right? I think everyone in life gets that, where it's just, oh, man. It's just like the day-to-day. I don't know, man, it wears on you, and then sometimes you're just like, I don't know if I can do this anymore. And then there's always, if you just feel that way, just dig deeper, man. There's always something more. All right, there's always something left in the tank. Okay, so thank you, dude. Really appreciate it, brother, man. So, yeah, man, and here you go, dude. It's like we've got gold. Clean slate here, this chart. Oh, it's the Betty White song, or whatever. Betty White! Gold Connect. Do you see it, man? It is formed a very, very large triangle. And on this chart, it doesn't really look so much like an ascending triangle. I mean, it's closer to an ascending triangle than a symmetrical triangle, but you know, slightly lower highs. So that's what gold's doing, and it's already broken out. Gold has been broken out for years. This is the downtrend we were in. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Okay, so impulse up, consolidation after the impulse, accumulation going on, chat. So, measure move here, you know, and people could say you could anchor from here to here, but I don't know, man. Like, the impulse happened. The triangles are pauses in trends. All right. This impulse is the pause in the new trend, I believe. We are upsloping. It's a good sign. It's a breakout. It's a Momo shift. Gold is just setting up for higher prices, but it could take us a year or two. You understand that. I hope you do. Nice impulse that looks like a bull pull bull flag. Looks like a beautiful bull pull bull flag. If we did break out to the upside, just based on this right here. And yes, it does in fact look like a complex inverse head and shoulders as well. Yes. But another view. This is just another view. Measure move would put you at 1607. We know the inverse head and shoulders would be a little bit higher. Okay. Very cool, man. Oh, this guy doesn't know how to TA. This guy doesn't know how to TA, man. Okay. Only an idiot would say that, because like this is like textbook stuff. Straight up textbook stuff. Like from literal books, from geniuses that have researched this stuff forever. Okay.
I may be an asshole, but you're back to 2008, I'll always support ya.
But we were supposed to, right? You said to look back to 2008, 2009, right? We looked at it, right? And we talked about, yeah, thought I was playing into what you were saying. Where it did not at first, but it did get a head start, right? It did get a head start on the recovery by like, I think like 5 months, 4 or 5 months. Precious metals started its rally. But then the thing is, the stock market, you know, when it started recovering, well, how precious metals just did this, stock market just kept doing this, man. So it's like, yeah, you had a lagged recovery, and it, you know, on the stock market, but my God, dude, it went way higher than what precious metals did. Yeah. All right. Thanks for 420 did. Let's go to high to low real quick. Major high to low. We hit a 382, reversed our price action. Very close to it again. All right. Golden zone in between pretty much where the measure move is of the triangle. Oh my God, man. That's pretty lit, dude. That's pretty awesome, man. I don't even have to draw my golden zone box, right? Because it's pretty much there. Crazy, dude. All right. Anyway, so, oh, it's Betty Davis eyes. Oh, it's not Betty White. Wait, Cryptovic. Wait, you actually think I'm silencing you, dude? See, that's what I don't understand, man. Like, people get banned in here and they think I'm like all up in chat, like banning people. Yeah, dude, I got time for that. I got tons of time for that. Take it personal, man. Yeah, burn me at the stake because you got banned from a mod. Okay. Good Lord. Anyway, back to Betty Davis, Betty White. She had some pretty tight stops. What? My Tinder bio would say, I got a copyright strike once, but then got it lifted. Do the silver chart, please. Do yourself, please. Oh yeah, Kurt? Yeah? That real estate chart, man. Well, okay, I guess you're talking about VanEck Vectors ETF Trust Rare Earth Strategic Metals ETF. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so that's it, dude. Gold Connect. Gold Connect. It's pretty lit, man. That's pretty fun. That was a good, clean slate chart. You know, you just zoom back out with nothing plotted. You know how we had the inverse head and shoulders pattern? So, that was, or yeah, inverse head and shoulders, one idea. Then you get the same chart, you look at it again like clean slate, and you come up with other ideas. And they all kind of lead the same way, which is really fun for me. Yeah. Here's Bitcoin Connect chat. Are you scared? Oh, dude, this guy doesn't know TA. He just has an ascending triangle plotted, man. Yeah, dude. That's not even real, dude. Those aren't even real patterns, man. Ascending triangles. All right. Chris M, what do you get banned for? Yeah, everyone gets banned for everything. True that, Vlad. That's a good point. I think they both have their purpose, right? It depends how our future turns out, right? I think, and that's extremely speculative, and no one knows, and that's the problem, right? So there's nothing wrong with having a little gold, having a little Bitcoin, right? What's wrong with having both, man? Just saying. Last year, all of crypto was in the Bermuda Triangle, and we were here every single day, Chris M. Every single day. Laying the beat down on crypto.
Jehovah Sapien.
Jehovah Sapien? Yeah, dude, Jehovah Sapien. Something about Mon. Something Mon. Jehovah Mon. Thank you, stay-at-home dad, for the $20 worth of Bitcoin. Much love, brother, man. Gangs. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's actually, you gotta be doing some really dumb stuff to be getting banned in here. So, just saying. But, Ryan B, thank you, man. Can Litecoin go to 1,000, Centob, man? Not anytime soon. Okay? Not anytime soon. Dude, like, none of these things, like, it's just perceived value. Isn't it an interesting thing where we were just months ago, chat, Litecoin was at $22. $104 now. But, spoiler alert, we didn't tell you that before Litecoin was at $22, it was at $420.
Is that a joint?
But there's more. Before that, it was at like $60 or $50. And then before that, you know, you get it, right? But man, God, man, volatility. Hello? Crypto? I don't know, man. It's just an interesting market that after this time, I don't know. I mean, I only really started, you know, the crypto world, like even like just kind of looking into it, you know, like it was like October 2017, like that FOMO. It had not really started too much yet. It was getting there, but it's just like, dang, dude, because the stock market at the time was killing it too. So I don't know, man. This volatility is nuts. Oh yeah, man. And the thing is, the crypto market participants, everyone treats 5% like nothing. And it's like, dude, every single day, like 5% is big time, man. A 5% gain or loss is nuts. And so the fact that we see it like almost every day on this market is crazy. It is insane. Jeez. Okay. Excellent, Matt Inman. Yeah, J-Chugs, man. Yeah, platinum, baby. Oh, no, I'm not a cider guy. No. Weird. Not really. Okay, so Bitcoin. Come on, do something. Poke it with a stick, man. Chat, poke it with a stick. And thanks for the 491 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Like Spike Connect. Dude, 10,000 subs. Can you even believe it, man? The journey we've been on. The crazy, crazy journey we've been on.
Is that a joint?
When I can trade crypto to VIX, VVX, at gains.
Yeah, dude. This volatility out the wazoo. Like, it's sad that crypto's in that category, right? Or the VXX. How about the VXX? 3-time leveraged VIX, dude. Oh my god. Now that's more crypto. That's crypto, dude. The VXX. Thanks for the 420, man. Crypto does 500%. What do you mean 500%? Not in a day. I mean, sure, some do, I guess, but those are like, when you do 500%, maybe like years ago, the ones we know now, but not anymore. Now, there are ones we've never heard of that are very low market cap that do stuff like Titty Coin goes up 100% every other day almost because it gains or loses a sat, and it's like 2 sats. So, or whatever it is, I can't remember, like 42 sats or something. Dude, get Steam out of here. Crap, I'm out of good beer now. This sucks. I'm gonna drink water beer now, y'all. Lost your gun, are you sure? Crypto is the perfect market for those who don't want to risk too much money. Are you sure, man? Because the spikes and dumps you get for someone who doesn't know like how to do it, it can wreck people. So people that like come in the market without a trading plan, don't even know what a stop loss is, not that good. What's up, Hector Santos? Will you say please, Captain Z? Oh, did this descending triangle or descending riding wedge too? Yeah, it sure as F did. Jeez. Very pretty pattern, though. Did the music stop, man? Did it stop? Wow, man. Don't even know what to make of it. I mean, it looks very similar to Amazon. Oddly enough, dude.
After you visit ATX, you'll eventually choose it over ATL. Time to add your hat collection. How about a rice hat? Lol.
Rice hat? Well, I'll probably get taken, you know, how it is these days with certain political groups, man. I think it would take me down for appropriation or something like that, man. So I can't do stuff like that. Otherwise, I'm going to be considered a racist. I mean, Kangs is racist, evidently. Doing things, I guess, is racist. So I don't know, man, what the rules are anymore, okay? I don't know. I mean, dude, for the past, like, 16 months, I don't know anything about politics, man. Like, well, my mind's off of it. So you tell me, Rocky Win, if I can wear it. But seriously, man, it's a crazy problem. It's getting out of hand, okay, this political stuff, all right? So, and that's like, I'm not even kidding. Like, people be flagging me for racism, like, because I did that, all right? So, this is it right here, man. This is your Lockheed Martin. Whoops, what the? Hold on. Gosh, dang it, dude. I was looking at my OBS and trying to chart on my OBS. So, it was a huge uptrend, man. It was insane. Then you broke out, and then you had 2 diverging downsloping trend lines with your bottom trend line being the lowest. Pretty much, it seems like that's what gave us the descending riding wedge. Okay, so we ran up. Make sure this is new song. Okay. Oh my God, hold on. So we ran up. We actually gapped up. And here we are, down sloping resistance. You tried breaking it, didn't you? But you haven't yet. So it's very, very interesting. We are at an extremely critical resistance. Very nice looking potential inverse head and shoulders right here that you broke out of. Very, very nice. That's a beautiful little flag too, though. That's like bull flag. Very nice, man. Chart art right there, dude. I ran up and have not hit a measure move with this pattern. And the reason why is because overwhelming resistance. Okay, so I don't know if we'll break to the upside or downside, right? I mean, look, you know, you're up sloping. You've got higher highs barely on no volume, and you've got negative momentum. I don't really know, man. All right, so just know where we are, dude. I mean, these are high risk areas. If you don't break them, you dump. If you break them, yeah, it might be a nice run, but every high before you is going to be a horizontal line resistance that you must break one at a time. So just think about it, man. Since December 26th, $245. Here we are, pretty much hit $345, up $100 since the December 26th, 2018, right? So there you go, man. How was that? Are we okay? Are we cool? Let me know. Crypto sounds racist. I know, dude. It's a terrible world. Rocky Wim works at Lockheed Martin. The universe, dude. The universe. It knows you, Rocky, man. All right. Well, guess what? Sadly enough, BMX trades, American flags racist now in other countries. Not the American flag, but your own country flag is wrong. You can't fly it.
Even though we may not see eye to eye, we def have the same race issue. Just saying, good to hear you say what you did.
Thanks, Montana. Well, it's not just our opinions. I'm sure there are many people that feel the same way. But it really is. It just stems to ideological subversion that stem back to the KGB, man. All right, and the KGB is gone now. But I've said it before. If you think about the Night King, if you watch Game of Thrones, the Night King is communism, or really, it is the Soviet Union's communism, right? Where it's no longer alive, but it still is there, man. Like, okay, so the Children of the Forest created the Night King. Okay, the Soviets created what we know today as like communism, and they're no longer around. The Children of the Forest, Soviet Union's no longer around, but the Night King still runs rampant, right? He's still there. That ideological subversion, man, where, you know, that's what they did. That's what the KGB did, man. They infiltrated all Western education systems and tried to demoralize entire generations. And they actually did a pretty freaking good job. They spent like 90% of their budget on that, okay? So that's been going on since like the 60s, man. Now, you know, 60s through probably like the late 80s, and then it was over. So, but 30 years, that's all the time it took, man, to demoralize an entire generation, as discussed by the defector, whatever, Yuri Menonov or whatever his name is. He goes into all this. Dude, he was in the KGB. He talks about everything they did. Okay, so. Vlad, they sure do, and XRP is giving them the ticket. They're just learning about XRP. They'll do their own thing, right? Am I sure the KGB is not around anymore? I guess I'm not sure. Okay, they may or may not be around anymore. Is that better? They didn't create communism, but they created their form of communism got. No other people who created communism, they did not spend 90% of the KGB's budget on infiltrating the Western world, you know, democracy, capitalism. They didn't infiltrate those countries. Okay, so it doesn't matter if they created it or not. What they did was spread the crap out of it into our own, I guess, ideology. I guess our own, like, countries, man. I guess, like, our universities that are, it's still screwed up in our universities. Go check it out. Go check out how screwed our universities are now with that. Peace. Did any good come from the KGB, Night King? No, I don't think so, man. Look what they let happen with Chernobyl, right? Dude, it was pretty lit. Stay at home dad. The KGB scene in Chernobyl was awesome. it's so scary, man. It's like, think about it. If you even knew what, like, oh man, think about the scientists that knew. I don't want to spoil it, I guess, but it all happened, right? It's all based on what the events that occurred at Chernobyl. Like, they made the guy go. Oh god, I can't talk about it because, yeah, I'm not spoiling it. The Soviets poisoned the well. Yes, the Soviets, aka the children of the forest, poisoned, whatever, an idea. Stuck the dragon glass in him, and then he became. It's like the dead hand, man. It's weird, because they have the dead hand key. If you don't know what the dead hand key is, it was like if the Americans ever, launched nukes, there's like an automated system set up to where, like, no matter what, if it sensed a certain amount of radioactivity or explosions or whatever from a certain point, the dead hand key would go off, meaning like all the Soviets, every human that was Russian could have been dead, but that dead hand key would have still gone off and launched all the nukes at the West for, what do they call it, mutually assured destruction. So, crazy, man. It's totally vodka, man. Give me some vodka, man. I want vodka from MK's with fresh squeezed orange juice, or oranges. They are fresh squeezed oranges, but they become orange juice, okay? Whatever. Where we go, you have to be part of our community, man. If you're in my community, you can, in fact, message me. Sorry. Okay, Bitcoin, do something, man. I've been live for an hour and 30 minutes now. This is ridiculous. This is out of this world ridiculous, man. Stay at home, Dad. But I know I can't. I shouldn't. I won't. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Stay at home, Dad. All right, I'm gonna get another beer, I guess. I mean, whatever, man. Whatever. Hold on a sec. Okay, sorry, I'm back. You need a lot more collateral or capital than in crypto. Yeah, but then there's trade-offs. Then you got all these scammy exchanges who aren't going to pay you, like after you work and you gain, you make your account grow. Like, dude, there's so many other issues, so many other cons in crypto, lost your gun. So it might, though you say that there's lower fees, right? Well, guess what? You get what you pay for, I guess, right? Including the market you play in. So. Okay. So we're just looking at, someone said something about popping. We're still below the 50 moving average. Man, a lot of rejection up here. That's okay, dude. It still looks fine. It's like, when you reject prices, you're supposed to sell off hard. When you barely reject prices like this after an impulse before you, that's just bullish consolidation. This is some form of bullish consolidation. I don't care what you say, man. Impulse up, slightly down sloping consolidation is good. Holding above the moving averages on the 4 hour after, and you're not all that. You've also broken out of a down sloping structure, right? Your little channel, the 2 touch points, you broke out and you back tested and you say, hey, we're holding as support. Okay, man. You've broken out. And you do look ready to run again. At least once more. I don't know if you'll ever hit 42.96 cents, but it does seem like you will run to the upside again. At 23.
Cheers to the Viking King.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, heck, man. Thanks. Can you explain super chat? XRP gold. Oh, my bad, dude. What happened? Did it happen? Was I getting a beer? I didn't even see that. It's on the daily. Yeah, it's on the way, but it's on the way. Yeah, Golden Cross, couple days, like 2, 3, 4 days, depends on the price action. We start running to the upside. Yeah, man, you'll probably I mean, you're gonna get it. The 50 is beginning. Look, it's not like it's going this way, right? If your price action starts running again to the upside, then all of a sudden the angle is gonna start changing. What you're wanting is a more sharp angle to the upside, okay? And that's going to require price action to spike, okay? And then we can get it faster. That requires price action again, okay? Okay. That's your golden cross. Has not occurred yet. Nope. Hasn't occurred. Excuse me. Man, friggin' beer. Neil, there you go, man. Hopefully I answered your question. Chris, I don't know what song that was, dude. See what time are we at? 12:13. So it did be the one before. Are you talking about the one that's playing right now? Oh, this is a really good song. I remember this one. This was literally like my favorite one of all the synthwave songs. This was number one. Which one is this? 12:36. It's called I'll link it, okay? This song right here. That's the song that's playing right now. The best. Are we cool? Thanks. Gosh dang it, why is it? It's lagging. I think it's the refresh data. But see, here you go, man, rejecting. You're just trying. You can't.
For the dude that tipped $20 in BTC, when it hits 50k it will be $124.
Yeah. Oh boy. Could have just gone all in on Bitcoin, Andrew, man. Capo. Thanks, man. Thanks for the 5 super chat. Thanks, MK, man. Dude, we're playing some synthwave, dude, for you. It's like the days of old. Doesn't it feel like it? But it's not. It's the days of new. Yes, it is. Okay, so that can't happen. What's up, Mr. Talati? You say Bitcoin looks bullish? Yep, it does. It does look bullish based on the pattern that has developed. So there is a higher probability it would run to the upside. But we cannot leave out the idea that it couldn't just break to the downside. Okay. But yeah, we get it, man. Alright. Miami Nights, yeah, we'll play that. We'll give it a shot, man, anyway. I think it's copyright, but dude, I don't know, man. I think it's just like you gotta play these no-name people. Like, you just can't play the big ones. Like, I'm scared S-list to play any jam bands ever again. Well, Vlad, I was drinking a nice local brewery beer, but I ran out, and now I have to drink water beer Michelob Ultra. Oh yeah, and that's it. Like when it's strong, it is strong. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Cup with handle. We're cup with handle, man. You're approaching critical resistance. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Gotta love, man. All right. The cup with handle, and we're running again. I feel like we have broken. I know it's weird because this move here created another freaking resistance. It makes you wonder, right? But man, this was it, wasn't it? The neckline of the cup with handle, and that could yield us up to the next overhead resistance, which is look left. There's one at like 127 back from June of May 2018. Good God. But either way, man, nice uptrend for Litecoin. Alright, okay. Bitcoin shorts are kind of recovering a little bit, but it looks like bear pull, bear flag stuff. And I'm not saying that it is one. I'm just saying, like, to make you visualize it better. It's gotten absolutely devastated. Lost, like, good God, 60% of its value, or whatever that value would be, in a matter of, like, a couple weeks. And now it's just looking like a bear flag from a huge impulse down. That's all I can say about the shorts chart. You love them IPAs? Yeah, man. They're the best, dude. Justin899 says, Mitch, today was the first day in a year and a half that I started seeing Bitcoin ads on Facebook. Reminds me of 2017 bull run. Dang, man. Hey, Justin, if you're part of the Discord, it'd be really cool. Screenshot that ad, if you can find it, and post it in the Discord, like, general chat. That'd be really cool, man. Honestly. Oh, what's up, Benjamin? Everclear and Real Lemonade. That's dang, dude. That's a pretty lit drink, man. All right, dang, dude. I'm kind of feeling it. I've been live for a really long time now, or an hour and a half, and I was not live for like an hour and 15 minutes, and then did a 4-hour live stream before that. So I'm like been live for like 5.5 hours plus now. Jeez. Robin G, I've been wearing this hat for over a year now. And we're talking about, this is a special hat. This is part of my persona, man. Oh crap. Sorry, Julie, I accidentally clicked on that. Anyway, Litecoin Connect. Okay, so 75% resistance up at like 108, 109, but we know there's a little bit more there. Well, there's actually a lot more resistance up at like 110 to 112, and right now we're currently hitting 104.35, which is just the previous high before, right here, or May 16th. It's like 8 days ago. Gotta love it, man. The potential pattern never played out. It was not valid until it broke the neckline, and it never did, and we leaned more towards the bullish side on Litecoin, because the trend is your friend. It was beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah, dude. Wait, ta dot mitchray ta.com? Because that's a different link, right? Chris, are you giving out a different link? That's weird. ta.mitchray.ta.com. That's not the same one, right? Am I crazy? Does anyone know what's happening? Chris, man, where'd you get that link, man? It's like different, isn't it? Okay. What's going on with that XLM dude? Please, it's me, please. I don't normally do. Okay, so, alright. Got destroyed. Obliterated. Downtrend. You're still in it. I don't care. I don't care. Oh my god, burping. Oh, well, work, man. It's a matter of if. Probably. More so than when. Because we know most, like 97% of the time plus, the gaps always fill on the futures chart. But we could run up to 10K before we sell off. That's it. Did someone answer me? Because that's weird. I mean, I didn't click on it, but I saw it. I'm like, why is he posting a different link, a variation of the link? I'm just wondering, because that's weird, dude. Okay. So downtrend clearly. Back to scrub levels, back to December 2017 levels. Bottomed out randomly. We fell below a 161.8 even. It's terrible. Terrible. Anyway, man, yeah, impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Who cares? Impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Kidding.
Can we be cool again?
Dude, that's up to you, man. I tried doing that and you like flipped out, so I literally like the Saturday where everything like went crazy. Like Friday night was explosion time, and then Saturday night, you know, I literally tried making that happen, and you like wouldn't have it. You were like, nah, you're not gonna have it. And I was like, okay, whatever. Just gonna move on and keep doing what I keep doing, which is streaming, trying to help people. So that's up to you, man. It's always been up to you. Thanks, man. Okay, so I don't want to tell you because we have no effing idea if this is the major swing low from this high. Maybe this one. Who even effing cares until you break above 1800? I do because I care about XLM, man. Look, high to low, all you did was like double top of the 382, which is what? The beginning of the golden zone, and you've since sold off. Look, impulse up, down sloping, consola, effing dation, kappas, okay? Hilarious. I don't mean, like, go ahead, try to take a shot. I mean, and it's sad. It's really, really sad because it's not just XLM. There are many other alts that look just as trashy. They look terrible, and there's nothing we can do about it but kind of laugh at them while we don't put our money in them while they downtrend, as long as they effing want. Okay, that's it. This is the BTC pair. Hey, guess what, dude? The US dollar tether pair looks so different. It looks much better. But we're just talking about the 2 Bitcoin pair because Bitcoin's doing, well, if you haven't noticed, pretty freaking well since freaking January 29th, man. Thank you very much. Justin Bieber. Yeah, let's do it, man. And let's do it, dude. Anyway. Like One Connect up 3% today, and hey, Dash Connect's up 2.61%. Good for Dash, man. Okay. ONT's up 1.81%. Whatever, dude. They're all kind of up a little. Dude, 1%'s like nothing. Good God, in crypto. Like in crypto, like being up like 2% is like 0.25% on the stock market almost. It's ridiculous. Beautiful guy, thank you for your responses. I finally was able to message you when I interrupted your tea. No, you're, dude, what? Hopefully you weren't. Oh, my bad, man. Is that you? Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. So like, you're saying this is just like a sample work of art. Well, yeah, do crypto abstracts in each square, right? Like a different story for each crypto, right? So instead of Disney characters and stuff on the skateboard, you'd be like, one would be like, you know, like Bitcoin Cash, like forking and, you know, like a story being told behind each little section for each crypto, right? Ethereum Classic, man, you know, like forked too, because why got like hacked or whatever, you know, like it's better. The more you know about crypto, the story and the actual, like the story of each crypto, the better of like some sort of crypto artist you're going to be, right? So if you don't know about the cryptos, reading about them, like the drama behind them and all that stuff, probably pretty lit, man. You could make some good art out of it. It's a method artist, man, okay? I gotta draw art of S-Coin, so I have to become myself an S-Coin, dude. I will become BitConnect, man. I will become it. Diego Jesus Ferreros Avila. Welcome, dude. Thanks for joining. It's me. I don't know, man. So, yeah, I'll let the $2 slide, but I don't, dude. It's $2 super chat. It's like $3 minimum. It's always been $3 minimum TTS for a coin request. So it's just super chat's real now, and now you're able to like ping me with $2 super chats. So yeah, just like, you know, this is awkward. Okay, super chat has really made things kind of awkward. Okay, sometimes. Isn't it kind of cool to send crypto through a skateboard? Dude, it's ridiculously cool. The QR read, the reader or whatever. It's not the reader, it's the QR read. To send crypto via it, of course. But think about having a skateboard where you can send crypto, and then on the other side of the skateboard is effing a bunch of different cryptos. Are you kidding? Sorry, I had to stop that music. It was terrible. Okay. Hailstone. It's not Jon Snow. It's Jon Snow. Thanks. Yeah, Michelob Ultra still does trick, I guess, man. With a couple of good beers behind me. Yeah. Yeah, bet, bro. Yeah. Alright, I'm getting... My Steam's running out. Okay. Steam is running out. Womp, 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 womp. Okay, so anyway, man, let's go ahead to Bitcoin. Doing nothing burgers. Okay, just staying above 8,000. Oh my god, we did it, man. 8,000 connect. Like, literally, I don't even say, man, there's nothing happening. Dude, I can't believe it, man. I seriously can't believe it, alright? Like, over 10,000 subs. I mean, it's a big deal, man. Big effing deal. And because of y'all, it's real. It's reality. And I really appreciate it. Like, my heart is very full today because this community, I can't believe it, man. It's too good, man. It's too... Oh, I went to the doctor and they said, oh, yeah, you just have too good of community. Your community, the people in your community are too good of people. Like, oh my god, man. Been prognosed with exceptionalism of a community, which is every one of you. All right. Cheers, Bearable Guy. Steam breaking out, Omega Lord. Demetrios, thank you so much for using that word, Omega Law, because you're the only one that uses it, except me, right? Except me.
Even though I'm too drunk to flowers, this chicken I should have been tonight's top, but sadly not.
Too drunk to flowers? How could flowers become taste? Tastes become flowers. That's interesting. You're too drunk to flowers as chicken.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Sorry, I owed one. Thank you, Martin.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
I got something for you. Oh, it feels so good! There's your twinkle, twinkle, little star. I must break you. Thank you, Zenobi. Thank you, Montana. Back-to-back marijuana sizz in the jar. Thank you. So, both of y'all, though, said some interesting things about drunken chickens, and then we have twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Good Lord. It is Friday night. So, to be expected. Alright. With the twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Kangs. Twinkle, twinkle, little kappas. I don't know. That's right now. We're in quality over quantity. You're talking about, yeah, I mean, alcohol, if you're talking about beers, yeah, I would certainly like to drink less good beer than more bad beer. Yes, I agree. That costs less. So whatever, man. What's up, Andy? Mr. Tatali. Bitcoin looks bullish. We'll push to 10,000 radians. Okay, man, we will see. It is looking that way, but anything's possible on these markets. Nothing is certain, so please never become to a point, or never get to a point where your guard is down, where you just, oh yeah, man, oh yeah, it's coming, man. No, always be like, something bad could happen. Something could happen, man. It could. There's always a possibility, probability. And it's low. It might be low now, but it could happen. It just helps you keep your guard up, man. It's, you know, it makes you not be... Look, dude, it's okay to not know. Even when the probabilities are stupid high, you just don't know, right? I mean, seriously. The probability is low that you would sell off, right? The probability is high that you will break to the upside. But it was not certain. You just had to be convinced. Your conviction levels had to be high. Concentrate! Kangs. Alright? You just don't really know why yet. But my God, if it is not ever so setting up for higher prices, it wants to, but it's the weekend, whatever. Stack crypto, first things first. The way you spell no is K-N-O-W, not N-O. Okay? That's the first thing about it. Stack crypto. One teaching at a time. That was the lesson for the day. Come back tomorrow and tell me what you've learned from the lesson. Alright? Thank you. Alright, though. Well, let's see. I don't know, man. Like, thanks for the 462 people here. We only have 287 likes. I'm kind of sad, right? I thought, hey, 10,000 subs, man. We hit the like button just for that. Even though we don't like Ray, hey, congrats to him on 10k subs, right? One like, right? I don't know. But it's all good, man. Reactive singularity? Who are you talking about, man? Yeah, I think, Chris, that's the way everyone feels right now. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Don't hack me, bro. Dang, dude. Y'all, look at this. This is a member of our community. His name's Greg Noblin. He does art. If you want some effing art, dude, this guy's got you, man. Look at this. Crazy good, man. Bear dance? Are you kidding me, dude? That was all last year for crypto. The Trojan Wolf? Is that a Trojan Wolf, dude? Carrot on a stick? Oh my god, dude. This is freaking nice quality stuff, man, Greg. Kudos to you, dude. Look at this elephant. That's beautiful. Elephant in the moon, man. Oh, I love it, dude. I freaking love it. Think about him holding Bitcoin, Kappa. Alright? Greg, man, this is lights out. Check it out, man. GregNoblinArt.com. Here, I'm going to post the illustrations page too. Here, check it out. If you want some art, dude. That's awesome, man. Look at that, dude. This is good stuff, man. Oh, I love the elephants, man. I have like an elephant in every room of my house. Some sort of elephant. Dude, very cool, man. Wow. Hey, look, the moon, man, to the sky. Look, a couple XLM logos, Kappa. A couple BitConnect logos. Just kidding, because it's at the bottom of the ocean. Get it? It's BitConnect. Yeah, it is, Chris, man. It really is. I dig it, man. I freaking dig it, dude. Wow. And it doesn't, it just like keeps going. That's awesome, man. Very cool. Well, dude, I was going to say thanks for being a part of this community, man. Really cool to just see like very talented individuals in our community and just being able to, you know, like visualize it. Oh, that's how they are talented individuals, right? Seeing that kind of stuff. Very cool. Right? Yeah, very good. Bearable guy, if you want to send me you have a website or a portfolio or anything, I can do the same thing, man. What I just did. Okay. The upwards ranging swings. I mean, impulse up, slightly down sloping consolidation. I mean, bull's clearly in charge right now. Yeah. So, David, Kappa, whatever. He might be David. Anyway, dude, I don't even know. I'm losing my mind. Can't believe it. What if you don't know your talents? Well, Dill, that means you need to spend more time looking for that.
Is that a
Inverse Ansel Adams.
Is that a joint?
I don't even know who that is. Hold on. Thanks for the 420, man. Holy crap. Well, Ansel Adams seems like was a photographer, not so much an actual like painting or artist, right? This is Ansel Adams right here. This is Ansel Adams' art. There you go. 1932, 1948, dang, dude. Crazy. Crazy doing. You can't be, it's not shilling. Oh, look, do not use the word shilling if you're talking about advocacy for something that is reputable, has a good name. Shilling has a negative connotation. Shilling also has a negative denotation. Please understand this, everyone in chat. Become learned with your words. Okay? Shilling, define. Shilling, what that's, no, hold on. Good God, come on. Not shilling, not like currency. Shill, okay? An accomplice of a hawker, gambler, or swindler who acts as an enthusiastic customer to entice or encourage others. That's shilling. Those Russian bots on YouTube, that's what they do. You are not shilling your product because your product is good. It's not crap, okay? That's it, man. Okay, I just want you to use the right words. I don't want you to use the wrong ones, alright? Okay, I'll make the market go up, okay? What should I do like they do in Dragon Ball Z to start screaming? I mean, it's not gonna work, dude. I'm sorry. It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, I tried. I gave it my best, though. Okay. Okay, let's do the rundown. Montana, Zenobi, it's me. Andrew Parsons, Heck 2-3, Audible Guy, Rocky Wynn, Skyward, Kirk B, Stephen Wright, man. Anon. XRP, the Green New Deal. Anon. Dude, thank you, man. Bitcoin Z. Nawab Hussein. Hoofhearted. Simon Nax.
Is that a joint?
Kinda why I said in verse 2 you show paints, but dude, I mentioned photos, I digress. Come on bro, focus.
I didn't say shill anything, because I know what shill means. But they were saying shill their paintings. So it's like saying you don't use the word shill. You would say advocate. I can't advocate because I don't have X or whatever. So thank you, man. No, yeah, inverse of that. Yeah, for sure. AJ Blackman. Kaj P. Mr. Damon, man.
You know what they say, fool me once, strike one. But fool me twice, strike three.
Michael Scott. Wayne Gretzky. Thanks also King, man, for the $5 foot long Subway Connect. Thanks, dude. Wow. Benny Benzo, Greg Noblin, Rune Slayer, Elliot U, CZ, HMLSS. Ooh, that's it. Sorry, that was from earlier. Stay at home. Dad, thank you so much for the $20 of Bitcoin. Hoofhearted, thank you for the $8, $10 of Bitcoin. Crypto guy, thank you for the $3 of US dollar coin. Thank you all. Y'all are amazing. All right, it's been a fantastic 10,000 sub stream Friday night. Might have been crazier on a Wednesday afternoon. Who knows these days? All right. Sorry. So look, y'all are fantastic. Thank you for the new subs, the old subs. 10,000. Can you believe it, man? You're all part of the pre-10,000 party. All right. You're legacy now. You're all legacy, each and every one of you, because we'll be at 20,000. It won't take that long, man. It really won't. So, I'll be back. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
I like turtles.
Adios, turd nuggets.